Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix the issue photos won't save to iPhone storage. This sometimes happens when your iPhone storage is full, and here are the practical steps to fix when photos won't save to iPhone storage. First, check available storage via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and make sure you have free space. Restart your iPhone. Clears temporary glitches that block saving. Turn off iCloud Photos via Settings, Your Name, iCloud Photos. Toggle Sync this iPhone off. When prompted, tap Download Photos and Videos to keep copies on your iPhone. Disable Optimize iPhone Storage via Settings again, Apps, Photos, and turn Optimize iPhone Storage off or choose the original. Check Camera Save Location via Settings, Camera, and confirm no restrictions are set. Allow Photos access via Settings, Privacy and Security, Photos. Ensure Photos app has full access. Check Screen Time restrictions via Settings again, Screen Time, Content and Privacy restrictions. Make sure Photos are allowed, and go to Allowed Apps and Feature, then Camera is set to Allowed to. Sign out and back into iCloud. Via Settings again, Your Name, Sign out, restart your iPhone, then sign in again. Update iOS via Settings, General, Software Update, install any available update. Reset camera settings via Settings again, General, transfer or reset iPhone, reset, reset all settings. This won't delete data. Lastly, take a test photo by opening the camera, take a photo, then check Photos, Library on my iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.